my sales increased within the first month 4 times, and now fast forward 2 years, it's gone up 27 times that. So afterwards on the platform has been so much better than before. Hi, my name is Amanda, and I teach bakers and sugar artists how to generate more sales in their business on Thinkific. So my background mainly consists of managing corporations and bakeries. After I finished that, I started my own bakery, and when that took off, so many other bakers and sugar artists kept asking, how do you build, how do you market, how are you so confident to put your baking business online? And I thought, wow, there is a huge gap here of bakers, sugar artists, creatives that really need help with the business portion. And that was when I decided to start with Thinkific. Business was so much better. My sales increased within the first month 4 times, and now fast forward 2 years, it's gone up 27 times that. So afterwards on the platform has been so much better than before. I love the fact that you can literally create a course, put something out there, and then also have the support in order to make sure that you can see your course actually come to fruition. By far, my favorite feature is the discussion. As a business owner, it provides a different level of an experience. So not only do students feel like they're watching a course, but they feel like at any given moment, I can actually pause this, ask the teacher a question, and actually get feedback. For someone who's just starting out, one of my biggest advices is to always stay true to yourself, but also to just get started. Sometimes we overthink things, we have limited beliefs. A lot of times we struggle with perfectionism. You won't know how amazing you can be until you just get started and put it out there in the world.